suddenly I had to, become aware of me being just me. And a lot of people would say that must have been really a big trauma in your life. And in the moment when it happened, of course, it felt like that. But now afterwards, many years afterwards, actually, it was just life happening. It was not what happened that really made me scared me. It was what I was thinking about, what was happening, that scared me. So you ask me, who are you? And actually, I'm awareness. So